This screencast will show you how to access the SkillsUSA Technical Standards. First, navigate to absorb.skillsusa.org and log in to your account. After logging in to your admin account in Absorb, scroll down and click the Professional Member Benefits tile. Now click the folder titled 2021-2022 Professional Member Benefits Package. Select the tile that reads Technical Standards. In this tile, you'll see a series of items under Learning Events that start with the Professional Development Test Study Guide. Underneath, you'll see the Leadership Development Career Competitions, the Occupationally Related Career Competitions, and Skilled and Technical Sciences Career Competitions for 2021-2022. Click Enroll and Start to begin any of the technical standards.